In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Smartsheet account. We'll walk through the process from the moment you open your browser so you can follow along step by step. By the end, you'll have your own Smartsheet account set up and ready to use. First, open any web browser you're comfortable with, like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. In the address bar at the top, type Smartsheet and press enter. This will take you to a search results page. You're looking for the official Smartsheet website. It should clearly say Smartsheet in the result title and show the main site address. Click on that main Smartsheet result to go to their homepage. Once the Smartsheet homepage loads, look for an option that invites you to start using the product for free. This is often labeled something like Smartsheet for free or Try Smartsheet for free. It's usually a prominent button near the top of the page. Go ahead and click that. This link takes you to the sign up or trial page where you'll actually create your account. On the sign up page, you'll see a few different options for how to get started. One common option is to type in your email address directly into the email field. If you choose this route, make sure you use an email you have access to, because Smartsheet may send you a verification or welcome message there. After entering your email, you'll typically click a button to continue, and you may be guided through creating a password and entering basic details like your name and possibly your organization. You'll also see alternative sign-up buttons that let you use an existing account with providers such as Google, Microsoft, or Apple. If you prefer not to remember another password, these options can be very convenient. To use one of them, simply click the button for the provider you want. A new window or pop-up may appear asking you to sign in to that service, or to confirm that you want to allow Smartsheet to use your existing account for login. Follow the prompts, and once you confirm, Smartsheet will create your account using that profile. After you've completed either the email sign-up or one of the single sign-on options, your Smartsheet account is created and you're ready to start exploring.